and welcome to another episode of Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao, where we unpack the secrets of wealth with logic, clarity and zero fluff. Now today's topic is for our non-resident Indian NRI friends, especially those living in the US, UK, Middle East or Asia Pacific, who are either earning big in USD or have a sizable savings back home in INR. And the big question is, how should NRIs manage their money across two currencies, two countries, and a dozen regulations without losing sleep? It's tricky, it's personal, and it's expensive to get wrong. Luckily, we have the perfect person to help us simplify this. Economist and NRI wealth strategist, Sri Mohan Krishnarao. Sir, welcome again.
Thank you, Neeti. And I love this topic because NRIs are often more confused than they realize, not because they lack money, but because they lack clarity.
Right. So let's start with that confusion. What are the top mistakes that NRIs make with their wealth?
Glad you asked. Here are the most common ones. Mistake number 1, parking too much in US dollar. Many NRIs keep a huge portion of their net worth in USD bank accounts or low yield products in the US, earning 3% or 5% while inflation is eating away 6 to 7%. There is comfort in liquidity, but comfort is not growth.
Okay.
The second mistake is unplanned investments in India. Many NRIs actually invest in Indian real estate, stocks or insurance products, often based on random advice from relatives, old friends or online influencers. The result? Scattered, over-diversified portfolios with no strategy and often non-compliant with NRI regulations. The mistake number 3, ignoring the currency risk and tax loss. You may earn in USD but spend, gift or retire in INR, and yet most NRIs don't have a proper currency allocation plan, nor do they understand how India and US tax systems interact. This can cause double taxation, blocked repatriation or worse, the sudden tax notices.
So true, sir. We've seen so many people with high income yet poor clarity. So let's flip it. What does smart NRI wealth management look like?
Great, let's walk through the real world framework. Take the approach followed by some licensed multi-asset advisors in India, like the example of Rakshak.com. Again, not a promo, just a case study. What do? Step 1, global asset allocation plan. They start by assessing your full global picture, what you hold in USD, INR, stocks, real estate, cash, retirement accounts. Then they build a currency balanced portfolio. Some portion in USD, some portion in INR based on your residency, goals and future plans. Now coming to the step 2, use SEBI compliant NRI friendly assets. NRIs can't invest in everything but can invest only in approved assets like direct stocks, mutual fund portfolios via NRE and NRO accounts.
Oh.
Bonds and debt funds for safety, AIFs or PMSs for higher growth. The key is choosing platforms that handle the paperwork, FEMA rules and tax compliance for NRIs. Step 3, optimize for tax, repatriation and currency flow. This is where most do-it-yourself plans fail. A well-structured NRI plan handles India-US Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, it's DTAA, repatriation routes via NRE, NRO accounts, strategic withdrawals to reduce tax burden. Experts use RBI compliant channels and advise on where to book capital gains. The step 4 is create passive income and retirement clarity. Some NRIs want to return to India later, others want to retire abroad but use India's assets for income. A good plan sets up systematic withdrawal plan SWPs in INR, dividend bearing investments, USD INR conversion ladders to preserve value and avoid timing risks.
So that's a complete system, not just a portfolio.
Exactly. In fact, think of it as a full stack NRI wealth strategy, not just buying some mutual funds online. For example, Rupee Rakshak's NRI Wealth Portfolio does this in one place, with a team that is SEBI registered and handles both investment and regulation. You don't have to use them, but learn from their structure. Multi-asset, goal-based, tax-aware, currency-balanced.
So how can someone get started with this?
Simple. If you are an NRI sitting on $30,000 or 30 lakhs or much more and you want clarity, compliance and calm returns, start with a conversation. You can go to rupeerakshak.com and explore this NRI wealth portfolio. There is a free consultation link, no obligation. Use that to ask questions, learn structure and fix the leaks in your current portfolio.
So NRIs, remember, it's not about how much you earn, it's about how wisely you manage across borders. Don't get stuck with lazy money or flashy confusions. Get inspired by how experts manage it and adapt it to your life. That's it for this episode of Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao. Hit like and share it with an NRI friend and explore the link below if you're ready for better clarity. We'll come back with a new episode next week. Until then, stay tuned.